In this video, I will show you how to get Upwork Job Alerts with RSS Feed. To get started, go ahead and open Telegram on your device and then search for ZenF Upwork bot. Now in here, go ahead and open ZenFL. So make sure that you search for this bot on Telegram and then click on that start button to start accessing this bot on Telegram. So in here, you'll need to go ahead and log in to your ZenFL account. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and follow the prompts to set your job filters, save your preferences, and start receiving the real-time job alerts directly in Telegram. So basically, Upwork removed the native RSS feeds, and due to this, many freelancers have been using ZenFL Upwork bot now on Telegram to receive job alerts easily relevant into their job experience, and that's how you can basically get Upwork job alerts with RSS feed.